What's up, guys? Quick one today. I just wanted to show you Julale Center. It's here in Agana, which also used to be a cool spot to come to. It used to be like a weird mall, but let's go check it out and see how it looks like this day and age. Let's go, virtual tour. All right, this one's cool. Donut Tree is still here. It's a cool restaurant. You could pick like choices to eat, and this is also mainly a radio station and Guam Power Authority where you get to pay. We have Harry's Watch Repair over here and insurance on my right, Moylan's. Got Moylan's in here, Harry's Watch Repair. They have some cool stuff. Look at that watch over there. Cool vintage straps. Seiko protector, and of course, again, hit radio 100.3 FM. I guess no one's there right now. This is also a place of cool FM. You have this, this is probably like the only interesting thing here. Before this, you also have like this place that has toys and stuff. We'll go ahead and check that. AKJ Gifts, let's go check it out. Hey, brother. Oh, it's a little cool store. There's some toys here. Not bad. Yep, oil, drinks and stuff. Hey, half a day. That's cool. Oh, that's cool, man. They have vintage jackets here. Oh, damn, I'm gonna check that. $399? That's not bad. That's cool. Is it real leather? Oh, that's cool. Some clothes as well. It's pretty cool, and some toys. Not bad. That's cool. That's like, oh, those old robots?
Yeah, those are Korean generic Transformers, brother.
Hey, that's cool, man. Like, I'm really, because you know what? This is like probably the first time I've ever seen this on Guam.
Yeah.
You're probably like the only dude that sells these kind of cool like Korean Transformer toys.
They're all from Korea.
Oh, that's cool, man. See, it's very interesting. Like, you'd probably be the only spot that sells that kind of stuff. That's really cool.
Yeah.
I just had a cool chat with the AKJ Gifts guy. He's been here for 2 decades, and also he says that sometimes Jay's gift shop and Jay's fine jewelry are open. This is cool, man. I had a good chat with that guy. He was telling me about all of the cool, you know, shops that are still open. That's been here for like more than 1 decade. You know, but like, I don't know how many decades they've been here, but they've been here for a while. We'll go ahead and show you more. They're closed at the moment, but we'll go ahead and show you more of this Julale Center here in Agana. Look at that. Some very vintage collectibles. And jewelry, I guess. It's a jewelry store. All right, so these shops, as well as the Donut Tree, are owned by the same elderly couple. They usually come when they come. So that's what I found out about this place. Also, I had a cool chat with the AKJ gift shop. The guy there, Steven, he's pretty cool, man. He was talking about how his family and also the other 2 shops families has been here for more than like a decade, you know, many generations. I'm pretty sure, because this place is pretty old, but it's a cool tour. We'll go ahead and show you more. Here's another look at Henry's, I believe. There's some cool watches. He's not here at the moment. I think his name is Rick, Harry's Watch Repair. Also, I want to show you Donut Tree, fast food eatery, before I leave and show you more of this Julale Center. Hold this door. So they're open Monday, Friday, thank you very much, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. And this is the Donut Tree here in Julale Center. Not bad. Look at that. He has a vintage payphone. I'm not sure if that works. And this is their menu. Oh, they have Arscaldo and Bachoy. Hi out there. I'm just looking first. I'll come back. Wow, if you want to run or a big sweet potato, little sweets over here. They got some banana. This is their menu up here, the Donut Tree. Yeah, they have all this cool stuff over here as well. Even this. That burgers. Not bad. And little sandwiches if you're trying to get it, take it to go. So, and then more utilities and all that. There's also sell drinks here as well, and ice cream. Wow. Oh, they even had some puddings. Wow. Look at that. I guess they used to have candy as well. Some weird cheese curl snacks. TV. More cheese puffs. Some drinks as well. And of course, here's that. Wow, it's their freezer. I thought there was ice cream. Not bad. This is the donut tree here in Julale Center. Mundo's caramel flan. We'll go ahead and try this. This is their menu on certain days. Alright, we also got some grub over here at the donut tree. We got the 2 choice and then the spaghetti's on the side for $6. Not bad, great portion. Look at that, that's a lot of rice. Pretty full plate. Good stuff, you know? Here at the donut tree. We're gonna go ahead and eat this. I'll show you more of this spot. I think it's very nice seeing that this place gets a lot of foot traffic. It seems like a lot of people come here for lunch and breakfast. So that was the donut tree here at Julale Center. I got me this little leche flan, or you know, a flan, caramel flan. We'll go ahead and check out this tour. I'm gonna eat this. And up here is your claims department for Moylan's. Got new Susan's beauty spot, hair salon. Pretty cool. Fine jewelry by Jay's again. Pacific Daily News, which is also no more physical print, they do digital. Over here, I'm not so sure. It looks like it used to be a cafe. Most of these things are pretty sad when they go out of business, you know. Here, this is in Agana. Oh, this is Davenger's. Oh, vintage and collectibles. That's really cool. Oh, it's like a little cool thrift spot. And of course, here's the other entrance. There's A&A pawn shop right across. And of course, some billboards. Or some notaries and all that stuff. So, mostly looks pretty run down. Very old. But it's a cool vintage spot nonetheless. Julale Shopping Center. Here in Agana. We'll go ahead and show you the rest. It's pretty small, to be honest, but this place used to be really cool, you know. Like when I would come here as a kid, for all of the people that used to kind of come here, you know that this place was like kind of a cool spot for people in Agana. And then you could like walk over there. Well, across, there's also like this cool old movie station. It used to be a movie place. I forgot what it was now, or what it is now. And there's also like a GIC. I forgot what that building's called. There's Help Bistro over here. And yeah, hey, there's a homie, Trevin Jones, chiropractor and nutrition. Another vacant spot on the right. Yeah. And that's about it. This is the other exit. Very fast virtual tour of the spot called the Julale Center. Yeah. I like to do these virtual tours. Also has like a little postcard for a time when it used to be here, or was here, or still is here. But yeah, guys, that's the Julale Center. Over there's ASC, and there's like a homeless like feeding kitchen over there. I think it's like Santa Camelen, forgot what its name. But yeah, the Julale Center here in Agana. Thanks for joining me and checking out this virtual tour of the Julale Center, vintage spot here in Guam, Agana. This place used to be very lively. I'm pretty sure there's photos, or whoever has photos of it at the time, and maybe a video. Feel free to comment down below and yeah, show me that. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you did, and subscribe if you haven't. My name's Mark. Peace. I'm out.